Hello everyone. In last class we discussed y parameters and how to find y parameters for the given network. So in this class we are going to discuss one more parameters, h parameters. For the given network, how can you find the h parameters? H parameters also called as hybrid parameters. Now let us consider one two-port network having 1 dash 2 dash terminals, and this we can say input port and this we can say output port. The voltage is V1, current is I1, output voltage is V2, output current is I2. And we know that for h parameters, V1 and I2 are the dependent. So these two variables should be represented with function of I1 and V2. So these parameters are very useful in the constructing models of the transistors. In transistor, if you want to take the analysis of the transistor, h parameters will be very useful. Like we cannot use open circuit and short circuit parameters Z and Y to analyze the transistor amplifier circuits. So these parameters are obtained by expressing voltage at input port, current at the output port in terms of current at the input port, voltage at the output port. So now if you write the mathematical equations, V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, and second equation I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Let us assume this is the equation 1 and 2. So in matrix notations also we can write V1 is equal to, V1 and I2 are left hand side, H11, H12, H21, H22 are right hand side, and I1 and V2. So we are multiplying these parameters. So now individual h parameters can be defined. Let us assume case 1, making V2 is 0. To get these two parameters I am making V2 0 is nothing but port 2 dash is short circuited. If you want to make the voltage 0, port 2 dash short circuited. Then the first equation will gives H11, that is equal to V1 by I1, where V2 equal to 0. So V by I represents impedance purely related to input side. That's why we can say this is, and whenever it is short circuited, that's why we can say this is short circuit input impedance. And next, from second equation we will get H21 is equal to I2 by I1 when V2 equal to 0. So that's why we can say this is short circuit. I by I we can say current ratio, that is called as a gain 2 by 1. That's why we can say this is short circuit forward current gain. So by making use of port 2 dash short circuited, we got these two parameters. So in case 2, make sure this parameter is 0, I1 equal to 0. What is the meaning of making I1 0? Port 1 dash is open circuited. In open circuit the current is 0. Now from first equation we will get H12 is equal to V1 by V2 when I1 equal to 0. So I1 0, that's why we can say open circuit V1 by V2 ratio of the voltage, but it is reverse. That's why we can say this is reverse voltage gain. Next, second equation will gives H22 equal to I2 by V2 when I1 equal to 0. I by V we can call as admittance and purely related to output side to second port. That's why whenever I1 is 0, this we can say open circuit output admittance. So the short circuit input impedance unit is ohms, forward gain, current gain, reverse voltage gain, no units. Here we will get the admittance, the unit is mho. So it is having the mixed parameters. That's why we can say these parameters are called as mixed or hybrid parameters. If you use the transistor, Z parameters to analyze the transistor amplifier, you will get only the Z parameters, impedance parameters only. You will get like input impedance, output impedance, transfer impedance. Like if you want to get the complete idea about the transistor, like voltage gain, current gain, you have to use the H parameters to analyze the transistor amplifier. And we can give that different units such as ohms, short circuit impedance, open circuit admittance, MOS, current gain, reverse voltage gain. That's why this name of the parameters is called as hybrid parameters. And based on those parameters equations, we can give the equivalent diagram for this. It can be very useful to draw the equivalent diagram of the transistor amplifier. Let us take down the same two-port network with rectangular box. V2, V1, and the current is I1, the current is I2 between 1 dash and 2 dash ports. Okay, now it can be replaced with the equivalent diagram like, so this box represents some impedance H11, and here we can say this is dependent source. Here this is the dependent another source, current source, and this box represents some admittance between 1 dash and 2 dash. The equivalent diagram, it can be very useful in the electronic circuit analysis. V1 I1, V2 I2. Here we can say this is H11 and this is H12 V2. If you read the equation, V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Like here, this is I2, V2 equal to, here we are writing current equation, nodal analysis, KCL. H21 I1. I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. So this is the equivalent diagram. It will be very useful if you want to analyze the transistor amplifier. Okay, next let us see the one simple model problem. How can you find the H parameters? Let us take down example here. 1 ohm, 3 ohms, 2 ohms between 1 dash, 2 dash, V2, V1, current I1 and I2. Find H parameters for the given equation, that circuit. And we know that H parameters equations, V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. And to get H11 H21 we are making V2 0. What is the meaning of making V2 0? Port 2 dash short circuit. So in case 1 we are making port 2 dash is short circuit. Then we will get V1 and I1 relation that gives H11. What do you mean by V1 and I1 relation? So here when it is short circuited, 3 and 2 comes under parallel series with this one. That means total voltage is equal to 3 parallel to series with 1 and current is I1. So 3 into 2, 6 by 5 plus 1 into I1. So 11 by 5 into I1. So H11 is equal to V1 by I1, that is equal to 11 by 5 ohms. Okay, now by using same analysis, if you find the I2 and I1 relation, you will get H21. So how can you find I2? By using current division. Current in this path is equal to total current into opposite resistance by total resistance. So I2 equal to total current is I1, opposite resistance is 2, total resistance 5. So now I want I2 by I1, that is equal to H21, that is equal to 2 by 5. There is no units for this. But I1 and I2 are opposite, that's why we have to keep the negative sign. Next one, the same diagram. Now I am taking the redraw the diagram. 1 ohm, 3 ohms, 2 ohms. In order to find remaining parameters, make sure port 1 dash is open circuit. That means I1 is equal to 0. Now I1 equal to 0 and find the relation between I2 and V2. So this is V2 and the current is I2. Whenever it is 0, it is simply open circuited. These two comes under series. That's why V2 equal to 3 plus 2 into I2. But I want I2 by V2, that is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 most. This is called as admittance H22. Okay, next last parameter is whenever I1 is 0, by using first equation